typically does here at Camp Perry, the weather plays a factor. So we're in town for the National Trophy Team Match and the National Trophy Infantry Team Match. But with weather putting those matches on delay, we've made our way into the trophy room. We're going to be taking a look at some of the history that is memorialized here. Here's the first setup. This is the Soldier of Marathon Trophy, first awarded in 1875. There's 150 years of history sitting right here. The Soldier of Marathon Trophy is awarded to the highest finishing civilian team. In addition to the National Trophy Team Match, there's the National Trophy Infantry Team Match. This is the Infantry Team Trophy. Dates back to 1922. This will be awarded to the winning team in the Infantry Team Match. This is the Leatherneck Trophy, awarded to the highest finishing civilian team in the National Trophy Infantry Team Match. This is the Celtic Chieftain Trophy, awarded to the highest reserve component team in the National Trophy Infantry Team Match. There are a couple of trophies for junior teams. This one is the Minuteman Trophy for the highest junior team in the National Trophy Team Match. The Minuteman Trophy was first awarded in 1925. This is the new Junior Infantry Team Trophy. What's neat here is this is awarded to the highest junior team in the Infantry Team Match, and it's said that this is the senior wolf that represents the coach. There is so much history here at Camp Perry. If you haven't made the journey, you simply have to see it for yourself.